Hey, I'm Marcus Caston, and we are here at the Outdoor Retailer Show at the Technica Blizzard booth, and I want to talk to you guys about a couple of my favorite products that I've been using over the last couple years. This is the Blizzard Rustler 11, and it's a little bit more playful than a traditional Blizzard co-cheese. The mounting point is a little bit more forward, it's a little bit more lightweight, a little bit more forgiving, but still super stable and really solid and there when you want it. So there's no speed limit to it. You can still go straight, still just plow over bumps, but when you want to throw them sideways, it's there for you. And then when you hit the groomer, they ski really surprisingly well for how fat they are. So this has kind of been my everyday ski, the Rustler 11. Really versatile for how wide it is, and just kind of the perfect everyday ski. Second, we got the Technica 0G boot. This is new this year. Totally changed. Totally different shell. It's 1,300 grams, super lightweight. And I guarantee you, for a boot that weighs 1,300 grams, you're never going to find a boot that skis this well. Skis like a regular, traditional alpine boot, but with external walk mode, so it's always working, never freezes up, huge range of motion, and super lightweight. So, and really comfortable and warm. So, I've been skiing this a ton, even inbound. So, this is my new baby. You should check it out.